For many centuries, man has been intrigued and fascinated by the constellation Orion. Orion's a very iconic constellation. It's very easy to distinguish in the sky by its three horizontal bands of stars, which is Orion's belt. But we're interested in Orion's sword, which is lower in the Orion constellation. And there is where we will find our destination, which is the Horsehead Nebula. Now, the Horsehead Nebula is situated in the center of a molecular star nursery called Barnard's Loop. Barnard's Loop is also an iconic sky feature, which is characterized by its very large gas clouds, which are red in color. And right in the center is the Horsehead Nebula. We traveled 45 jumps to Barnard's Loop, and as you got closer, Barnard's Loop just engulfed everything. And the first sight of the Horsehead Nebula was very awe-inspiring. It looks a little more like a seahorse head than the actual pictures that you see in the telescope photos. But I think that Elite Dangerous did a good job with representing the Horsehead Nebula. And you'll notice, as I said before, that when you get this close to Barnard's Loop, it just absolutely becomes everything in the sky. Just a massive array of gaseous clouds. Now, the interesting thing about this in Elite Dangerous is that it is permit locked, which means you can only get so close to it. There is a star system that's called the Horse Nebula Dark Region, which would get you very close to the nebula, but as it is, it's permit locked, and there's no permits are being issued to actually get there. It's closed off by Frontier, the manufacturer and creator of the game, which is interesting. To give you an idea of just how big Barnard's Loop is, we can go to the star map or the galaxy map there in Elite Dangerous, and it gives you a good model of just how massive this star nursery is. It's the closest place to Earth that actually has a nursery that's actually having stars being spawned in it. And there at the edge of it, you see the Horsehead Nebula, and that is right in the center part of the Barnard's Loop. And it was kind of sad because, it was beautiful and everything, but you just really wanted to get closer. And, but you couldn't. You could get a little bit closer with some star systems, I think at the Trapezium star system, but you'll notice that it says it's permit required, but there is no permit that exists to get you close to the formation. So nothing left to do but plot a route home back to Barnard's Star and get the fires burning in the spaceship and head back. but it was very, very beautiful though. And so we made our way back after spending a little bit of time in the in Barnard's Loop. There's also the Orion Nebula and the Flame Nebula, but we didn't look at that. We'll probably do another expedition to those formations. But yeah, it's just a massive, massive array of gas clouds, and made you feel very small. But we took one last look at the formation and began to head home. The red color of the clouds is caused by the hot hydrogen gas which burns in Barnard's Loop. As we travel back, you can just get an idea of how massive it is. And in Elite Dangerous, it's always in the sky. You always see it. And now we've seen one of the secrets that it holds.